सौम्या मल्होत्रा।
Mobile.
And then there is me, Vaswati Das.
लाइटिंग है, कैसा लाइटिंग है? किसका लाइटिंग है?
And now we have our winner, our final winner, Anida Sethuraman. We'd like to invite Mr. Ritesh Sharma too.
बंद हो गया मोबाइल। चलो बैठ गए ये माइक भाई दादा थैंक यू।
अरे हाँ एक मार
मारना है
एक से बाद फोटो
चलो
माइक नीचे रखो राजा राजा
It was terrifying. If I had to sum it up in one word, जैसे मैं बच्चों से कह रही थी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि होस्ट करने से पहले एक रात पहले मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी And then my mother told me कि आप imagine कीजिए अगर आप इतने tense हो तो बच्चे कितने tense होंगे क्योंकि competition तो उन्हीं के लिए है. But मुझे पता है कि मुझे वो words pronounce करने हैं. सबसे पहले मुझे pronounce करने हैं और फिर वो spell करेंगे. और वो words इतने कठिन थे. I didn't know a lot of those words, I have to say myself. Forget about spelling them. But जैसे आपने कहा बिल्कुल brilliant बच्चे. I don't know कि और बहुत interesting जो बात थी final grand finale में वो ये था कि जो 4 लड़कियां थी जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रही थी फाइनल में वो हिंदुस्तान के हर कॉर्नर से आई थी. So there was someone actually who won, Anagha from Chennai. Then we had Esther David from Mumbai. We had someone from Delhi in Soumya Malhotra, and then we had someone also from the east, from Guwahati, which of course was our reigning champion from 2013, Bajwati Das. So it was really a representative competition, but I'm glad it's over.
They were all school kids, you know, but then we talked about your schooling days. How good were you with spelling that?
I was good at spelling, but there was no national, because this only started in 2009. So there was no national spelling bee that I've ever participated in. But I think I was all right. My spelling was pretty good.
If spelling would have been in your time, I mean, you had to rank yourself. How far would you go?
If it was a competition like this, I think I would have hopefully made it to, I would have qualified, I think, among the top 16. After that, it's really anyone's game. It depends on, I could spell a lot of those words, but some of those words I'd never even heard of.
So, coming to Bollywood, you were working in the corporate sector. So, just talking about the discipline, Bollywood is a little bit indisciplinary regarding the corporate sector.
एक ज़माने में बॉलीवुड में कम डिसिप्लिन होता था, लेकिन अभी ज़माना बदल गया है. अभी बॉलीवुड भी
to be done to just change the Bollywood in discipline like that.
बॉलीवुड इज़ चेंज्ड. सबसे पहले हम उसे हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बुलाते हैं अभी, और उसमें बहुत डिसिप्लिन आ चुका है, खासकर लड़कियों की तरफ से. वो हमेशा टाइम पे आती हैं और लड़कों से पहले तैयार होती हैं और सेट पे आती हैं. एक बाउंड स्क्रिप्ट मिलता है आपको, एक प्रोडक्शन स्केड्यूल मिलता है, और सब कुछ बराबर चल रहा है. शायद क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा मैं भी एक कॉर्पोरेट बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, वो जो एथिक्स होते हैं, एक सिस्टम होता है. अभी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी बहुत सारे कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं जो इस तरीके से आगे चलते हैं, और कुछ प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो एक तरीका जो होता था शायद अम्मा के ज़माने में उस तरीके से चलते हैं. सो इट रियली डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट यूनिट यू आर वर्किंग विद एंड दैट पर्सनल स्टाइल.
So there had to be a competition. Spelling competition in your own family. They are quite very active in your family. Who would come first actually? I mean, if you know who's the smartest, or you know who has been good at schooling and everything.
You're asking me in my family who would win?
Yeah. Your mom, you, Seth, Karina, your sister.
Definitely me. No competition. There's actually competition from my mother, who does crosswords with me every day. We do a crossword in the paper, so she's become very good. And my brother, who doesn't, I don't know how good his spelling is because he doesn't write a lot, but he reads a lot. So I wouldn't dismiss him as easily either. I think I would be better at spelling than her. I think she would probably agree with me as well. But I think her skills lie elsewhere, and when it comes to other competitions, I'm sure she would kick my ass.
So just a slightly question, have you ever been to UK, and one of the most memorable moments of yours in UK?
In the UK?
Yeah.
The highlight of my experience in the UK has been my experience at college, which were the 3 years that I spent at Oxford University at Balliol College, which will remain with me always.
So, what were your favorite curricular activities in your school and college days?
What I love about Classmates Spell Bee 2014 is the fact that it endorses that philosophy of Classmate, which is not just about stressing on academic grades. And all the kids that took part in the competition, 16 of them I interacted with, not only were they brilliant in their school subjects, but they had great personalities. They played sports. Some of them were classical singers and trained in dance. They had a sense of humor. So it was really overall character development, and that's something that, again, Classmate has always stressed on. The fact that every child is unique, and so is every word, is what brought, I think, Classmate and the children together when it came to the 2014 Spelling Bee.
So, just talking about your projects and movies.
Very briefly, because today is not the right time to talk about it, my next film is on the 1984 Sikh riots, and we start shooting quite soon, actually. The director is Shivaji Patil, who won a national award, and I'm looking forward to it.